Well, I don't know if you guys ever seen 40K or 35K closing trades, but it's about to.
Well, you just made 35 grand?
Hey, what's up everyone? So Dennis here from Prime Traders. Just a quick little video here. I'm going to be going over some charts. We are releasing this one to the public, so it's going to be on our YouTube channel. That's where you're watching it. Now, I went over GBP CAD on our trading view, so you can just find us there at Prime Traders, and you'll understand why I entered this trade, but of course I'm going to explain it to you here too. So we have this bearish continuation pattern that just jumped out. You can see that price action did make a big move to the upside here. We'll see how that actually works out, but for now I think it's a downside move on GBP CAD. I am buying the GBP against the euro, by the way. Here it is, this contraction and retest, but let's go back to GBP CAD so we can finish this. Now I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. If you follow us, you'd understand that we use the Dow Chain channel for support resistance levels. For example, this, boom, you see that? And then free higher highs. Look at those free higher highs right there. This is a grand slam sell trade right there, boom. Anyway, we're not going to talk about that right now. What I want to do is just map out these key levels. You see this strong reversal to the upside, and guess what? Price action is pretty much there right now. And then for the supports, we got this one and this one here. Now, we also have this support level here where price action has made many rejections, and then again in current times more rejections here, 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 here continuously. Now we did have this breakout. I'm betting it's a fake out. We have this major level here. We have the middle of the Dow Chain channel. By the way, I'm on the 1 hour chart. And we have the 161.8 of this top to this bottom. Clearly giving us two profit levels. 120% is our day trade profit, and 161 is our swing trade profit, giving us an amazing risk reward of 4.2 at the swing trade, even more actually, and this one 2.7. I'm going for the swing trade, and you can see I'm targeting till the 8th of January. I can even go till the 9th if I like. So this is the 8th of January, more than enough time for take profit to be reached. It is a good trade, so let's summarize what's up. I'll just speed this up a little bit and just show you what's going on so you guys can see this on the zoom out level. Gonna stop talking now. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm done. Let's go over this real quick here. As you can see, support levels, which line up with, well, at least TP2 lines up with the key DC support. We have a strong rejection right at this price over here, which you can see price action pretty much rejecting that level too. We have these rejections here, which line up with the previous 1 hour candle. GBP is gaining a little bit here, so it's a bit more of a riskier trade. But again, trading is risk versus reward. If there is no risk, that means you're not in a trade. And if somebody tells you that you're never going to have risk, well, you better, jump out of a window or something, because you're clearly, it's not going to work. Maybe that's a bit too much, but it just doesn't work. There is no such a thing, no risk, no reward. And if you're scared to open a trade based on your system or our system or any other system, then there is a couple of key problems here. One, trading might just not be for you. Maybe you should just get a full-time job and focus on a career and put all of that energy, enthusiasm, and passion into a job, not trading. Number two, you are probably risking far too much not to be comfortable. I'm very comfortable with opening this trade, and as a matter of fact, I'm actually very okay with getting stopped out. I don't know if that sounds crazy to you, but it's totally fine with me to get stopped out, because the quicker I get rid of the losers, the quicker I'm going to profit. And basing my trading on these higher risk rewards and using compounding at the same time, I get to increase my risk reward ratios massively. So if this is a fake out and price action starts jumping out to the bottom, I'm going to start compounding my trade. Especially the day trade, and I might get out of the day trades here and leave the swing trade to really bring me the big bucks. But like I said many times before, we are proactive and reactive to the charts. What we do is we do not trade what we want to see, we trade what we actually see. So I'll ride this one and compound it as price action gives me indications. Keep in mind, this candle here, strong bullish push, yes, but the previous one, very strong rejection as well. We had numerous rejections here. So we'll ride this and see how it goes. And at the end of the video, you'll see that, because I won't be releasing this video until the trade is done. So I'll give a trade recap, even if it's a loser. Let's go over some of the active trades. We got USD JPY here. We are long on this one because of a couple of key indications. I'll have to go on the 4-hour chart for this one. So we have the Dow chain channel support here, and we have another pretty important support back in time right there. Right there. This is a pretty important zone. Now we did gap down. We usually ignore gaps because they're just not really valid to charting. And then we have this contraction. Our TPs line up with key trading levels, which is all good. Moving on to USD CAD, this is a nice seller here. We got nice risk reward of 4. Bearish contraction pattern. EMA tested a couple of times. This is a Grand Slam sell push trade. Easy. And then we have this support, which lines up with our 120%. Really nice setup. Euro GBP here with a bearish contraction. It's already working out. It made its retest, and we started compounding it. We got 2 trades running, one at the top here, one at the top over here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to try and push it down here to 161, but we're happy to get out of 100%, which is 70 pips, then a 2.3 risk reward, 120, which is a free risk reward, and 91 pips, and then finally down here. We'll try and target this one. But like I said, we are reactive, so we don't want to push it too much. Euro CHF, this one looks like a buy. I think there might be a little bit more room to the downside, maybe even down to this support here, or maybe the close of that support, which is right there. So there might be one more push down because the EMA is still not broken, and that's when I'm going to look to get into this one. GBP CAD. GBP CAD, this is the one we just went over. It's looking okay. CAD JPY looks more bullish, to be honest with you. Check this out. A pretty strong support level here. It did gap down, but now it's slowly moving upwards. It looks good. Yeah, that's all I got for you. Happy trading this week. It's Monday, 6th of January. Yeah, be good, and make sure to check out our website, primetraders.com, and join our community. We provide a lot of information to traders, and it is our duty, obligation, and mission to make you a real trading. No gimmicks, no BS, real, professional, consistent trading. My name is Dennis, the lead trader at primetraders.com. Thank you for watching, and have a really good trading day.